Welcome to the SUMA pitch, the digital factory for serial housing construction, where automation meets the urgent need for affordable living space and redefines the future of industrial building. With a production capacity of over 900,000 square meters per year, SUMA plans to mass-produce residential quarters using automated systems. Total capital requirement, €16 million, corresponds to the investment capital. Thanks to an exclusive EU license from the Broad Group, we are implementing an innovative construction concept with up to 40% cost savings and a 93% reduction in personnel. Our vision: affordable, sustainable housing for everyone. Our mission: to launch a fully digitalized factory for modular construction that sets new standards in scalability and efficiency. With the help of state-of-the-art automation technology, we want to set new standards in industrial residential construction. Germany faces a shortage of over 900,000 housing units. The construction industry struggles with severe labor shortages and missed climate targets. We address this gap with digital, serial production, and minimal manpower requirements. Our digital, automated production system enables rapid, scalable manufacturing of modular residential and commercial units. The result: roughly 40% lower construction costs and up to 93% less manual labor. SUMA holds the exclusive EU rights to Broad Group's modular building technology. With over 200 million square meters built and 1,200 plus patents, this system is proven, scalable, and globally integrated. Our setup meets European funding compliance and offers access to international procurement networks. Our base setup delivers 300,000 square meters per year in a one-shift model. When scaled to 3 shifts, we achieve up to 900,000 square meters annually, fully automated, minimal labor. Fürstenwalde offers strategic benefits: rail access, Spree River port, PV energy, battery storage, and direct A12 highway link. We're just 30 minutes from Berlin Airport and 1 hour from the capital, logistics ready and future-proof. Our main competitors are Daiwa Modular, Max Bogle, and Dennett Icon House. What sets SUMA apart? Full automation, an exclusive EU technology license, and a funding-aligned business structure. Compared to established players, SUMA offers the highest level of prefabrication, scalability, and labor savings. This positions us as a technology leader in modular construction across Europe. Our key partner is Broad Group for Technology and Machinery, supported by WKB GmbH for implementation. Together, we build a robust platform for scaling modular housing solutions across Europe. Our roadmap: third quarter of 2025, secure capital and grants. Fourth quarter of 2025, receive equipment from Broad. Second quarter of 2026, start pilot production. Third quarter of 2026, ramp up to full operation. The total funding requirement is approximately €16 million. Of this, over €6.6 million in public funding has been requested. Investment capital sought, €16 million, for a project with social and economic leverage. For further information or to join our investor network, please contact Dieter Vetter, authorized representative of SUMA UG. We look forward to shaping the future of housing with you.